Jessi with Dirt Road Dancing. Today we are going to be doing original choreography to Dirt Road Dollars by the Lax. If you'd like to learn how to do this dance, you can just click the link below. There are 3 things to keep in mind while we do this dance. There is a very long intro before the dance actually starts, so you've got lots of time to prepare. There is 1 tag and also a restart. So have fun, let's dance it out.
Cock-a-doodle-doo, clock squawking on the nightstand, slapping the alarm. I stumbled to the pot, got coffee on the stove top, button up the blue collar. Time to make the boots walk out the front door. Yeah, sun ain't even up yet, sunny, but we sure are, yeah. 'Cause time is money and we're making them dirt road dollars. Way out yonder, having them hollers, doing it like our fathers. Up on them tractors, sliding them pastures, making it rain like water. Farm boy dough, 24 karat gold corn grows. Lunch break by a couple sweet tea swallowers, right back to making them dirt road dollars. Picking, peeling, shuck, stack, digging, tilling, swing that hammer at the 2x. 40 hours well past, raking in the grain cash, stacking up the haystacks, red clay paid, 'cause we ain't afraid to break backs or a good sweat. Nah, the sun ain't gone down yet, sunny, so we ain't done yet, hell no. 'Cause time is money and we're making them dirt road dollars. Way out yonder, having them hollers, doing it like our fathers. Up on them tractors, sliding them pastures, making it rain like water. Farm boy dough, 24 karat gold corn grows. Lunch break by a couple sweet tea swallowers, right back to making them dirt road dollars.
I'll be up and at it by your first break. I'll be working the whole day. I ain't in the role play. Catch me in the road cage, chillin' just a chewing up that black dirt. Plowing, planting, cropping, I ain't stopping till my ass hurt. Silver Queen shucking with the farm, all trucking with the mates 55s. Boy, y'all ain't seen nothing. I'll be getting with the picking nearly all day, doing it all the way, cropping till we all pay. Hey,
another long hard road to the next one starts, buddy. You don't wanna know what the tractor parts cost. I can get you up a figure for a rig and a plow. I got some heifers in the back, but I don't sell holy cow. Man, that old Ferguson burning about 250 a gallon. I'm out here churning up dirt and I'm working, turning the plow. And you dig? Probably do it on your own time. I keep your youngest supper coming down the lunch line.
Yeah, we're making them dirt road dollars. Way out yonder, having them hollers, doing it like our fathers. Up on them tractors, sliding them pastures, making it rain like water. Farm boy dough, 24 karat gold corn grows. Lunch break by a couple sweet tea swallowers, right back to making them dirt road dollars. Come Saturday night, I'll take my baby out on the town, and on Sunday it's church, and then lay around the house. Yeah, we're making them dirt road dollars. Way out yonder, having them hollers, doing it like our fathers. Up on them tractors, sliding them pastures, making it rain like water. Farm boy dough, 24 karat gold corn grows. Lunch break by a couple sweet tea swallowers, right back to making them